Santa smiles on Dalal Street, Nifty's bullish start and key trends for 2025. Amidst a slew of positive technical and fundamental signs, finally, cheerful Santa Claus smiled at Dalal Street. The big question, as goes the first two trading days of January. So goes the year? Strictly speaking, there were definitely some elements of short covering plus value buying involved in yesterday's trade. The biggest positive takeaway from was that Nifty and its stock's strongest point was the final hour, when the benchmark simply eclipsed well above the psychological 24,000 mark. More precisely, the bullish landscape sets the stage for additional signs of gains as today, Friday, 3rd January, is officially the last day of Santa Claus period. The 7 positive catalysts. 1. FIIs turning buyers in yesterday's strong session. 2. India's goods and services tax (GST) collections rose to 1.77 lakh rupees crore in December, marking the 10th consecutive month of collections exceeding 1.7 lakh rupees crore. 3. Improving leads from Wall Street. 4. Lower interest rates. 5. A strong and resilient economy. 6. Prospects for increasing earnings estimates in the long term. 7. A broadening rally. Long story short, New Year fireworks shall continue as Nifty will aim to end the week with a bang. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1507 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 22 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating oversold technicals on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.73 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.23 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 1.06. Nifty outlook, it's shaping to be a blessed January for Permabull scam. Nifty, CMP to 4189. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,959 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,000 and 24,350. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51606. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen only at 50,485 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,100 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,205 to 200. Bias for the day is positive. Interestingly, bulls at Dalal Street are shrugging off heightened global uncertainty under Trump's administration. President-elect Trump is expected to raise import tariffs and lower taxes after joining the White House. Buzzing stocks. 1. Momentum stocks scaling their 52-week high, Eicher Motors, Mandem, PB Fintech, Ipca Labs, Jubilant Foodworks, United Spirits, Kalyan Jewellers, Muthoot Finance, Coromandel International, Lupin, Laurus Labs, Lemon Tree, etc. 2. Nifty Auto Index was in limelight in yesterday's trade, up 3.79% as December auto sales were quite impressive. 3. Eicher Motors rallied 9% following an impressive 25% increase in December sales to 79,466 units year-on-year. Exports recorded a 90% surge from the year-ago period after the company exported over 11,000 units of Royal Enfield. 4. Ashok Leyland jumped up to 6% after the company's total sales jumped by 5% year-on-year, YoY, to 16,957 units in December, whereas medium and heavy commercial vehicles sales rose by 8% YoY to 11,474 units led by the truck segment. 5. Maruti Suzuki, plus 6%, led from front after reporting a 30% year-on-year increase in December sales, delivering 1,78,248 units compared to 1,37,551 units a year ago.